Welcome to another enlightening episode where we venture into the buzzing universe of online communities, especially the maintenance community Slack group. I'm Ryan Chan, your host and the CEO of UpKeep. Today we're joined by two remarkable guests, Bryan Bieschke from T. Parker Host and Caitlyn Young-Gilbert from UpKeep. Gear up to uncover why this community was born, how it bridges the skills gap in the maintenance industry, and how it became a pivotal platform for professionals to connect and exchange resources. First off, let's talk about why the maintenance community Slack group was created. During a period of extended isolation, this platform emerged as a critical solution for bridging the skills gap in the maintenance industry. It has become a sanctuary for maintenance and reliability professionals to connect, share resources, and support each other in real time. Now let's explore the diverse journeys of our guests into the world of maintenance and reliability. Bryan shares his transition from being a college dropout to a respected expert in the field, thanks to his extensive hands-on experience in various mechanical roles, including his time in the Navy and at Caterpillar. On the other hand, Caitlyn's path into maintenance was quite different. With a background in social impact and nonprofits, she was drawn to UpKeep's mission of supporting the unsung heroes of the industry. Her journey is a testament to how diverse experiences can enrich the maintenance community. The maintenance community on Slack, initiated by Caitlyn, was a response to the need for a centralized digital meeting space for professionals during the COVID-19 pandemic. This platform allows for a more personal and vulnerable exchange of ideas and challenges, differing from the more formal environment of LinkedIn. Bryan, one of the early members, praises the diversity and collaborative spirit of the Slack community. He emphasizes how the community helps professionals from around the globe share common struggles and solutions, enhancing everyone's ability to perform their roles more effectively. For newcomers to the Slack group, Caitlyn offers some valuable tips. Don't be overwhelmed by the bustling environment. Use the search function to find relevant discussions, introduce yourself, and specify what you're looking to learn or contribute. This approach helps you integrate into the community more smoothly and ensures you receive targeted help and information. Looking ahead, Caitlyn outlines the future of the community, focusing on making connections easier and enhancing educational resources. The aim is to facilitate quick and effective knowledge exchange, ensuring that every member can access the information they need when they need it. Bryan and Caitlyn also discuss the importance of inclusivity within the community. There's no hierarchy here. Every question is valued, and every member, regardless of their title, is encouraged to contribute and seek help. In closing, both guests share how listeners can connect with them for more insights and support within the maintenance and reliability fields. Whether through LinkedIn or directly on Slack, they are open to discussions that drive the industry forward. Thank you for joining us today. We've explored the importance of online communities, particularly the maintenance community Slack group, and how it bridges the skills gap in the maintenance industry. We've also heard about the diverse journeys of Bryan and Caitlyn into the world of maintenance and reliability. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights. To learn more about our tools and resources, visit us at upkeep.com.